guys, first what I'm doing is I'm taking my sanding bed and I'm just going to file down the shiny part of her nails and clean around the cuticles and take away any cuticles that might need to be pushed back. Next, what I'm doing is just taking the tips, as you guys can see, and I'm measuring them to her finger and gluing them on. Once I have the nails glued on, I'm going to cut the tips down to the length that she wants. We're going for a medium, so I'm going to cut them in a coffin shape and then take my file and I'm going to file it in a perfect coffin shape. Swipe it. This is a product that's meant to clean and dehydrate the nails, and then I'm going to go into my nail primer before we get started with acrylic application. For acrylics today, I'm going to be using the Valentino Beauty acrylic color in Perfect Nude. As I apply the acrylic, I'm going to be using a 2-ball method. Some fingers I might do one, but majority of the time I'm using a 2-ball method. Basically what I'm going to do is just take a bead of the acrylic and place it as close as possible to the cuticle area, drag the product down, and then I'm going to apply a little bit more at the tip of the nail and bring that back to meet with the first bead that we applied to make sure that it is even. level is perfect and there are no lumps in it. I also like to take this bit and actually try to file down the sides a little bit and make sure that the cuticles are nice and cleaned. The acrylic surface, then I'm going to go in with my nail file and I'm going to perfect that coffin shape. Is done, I'm going to clean off the dust and ask my client to go wash her hands, and then we're going to move on to design. And we decided to go with a nice neutral set with some bling. So I'm applying my gel bling adhesive, which is just like a thicker builder gel that is meant to help stick the stones. I'm going to take some AB crystals, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to have fun with it and just place the designs as I see fit. You guys, my clients decided that she wanted this set to be matte, so I'm just applying some cuticle oil around the cuticles, rubbing that in, and voila, the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, please make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Until the next one, I'll see you later.